just do a quick check here. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Not hearing audio. All right, there we go. All right, so audio is working. Great. Just doing a live stream here of development. Nothing special. Just thought I would share my development while I work on it. So right now I'm just basically working on adding interpolated sync vars. Shouldn't be too much trouble, so I figured why not. Right now I'm running testa because the interpolated value is showing 0 when it shouldn't be. And that's because the send rate is showing 0. I'm not sure why the send rate is showing 0. That should not be the case. So I think I might have accidentally found a bug. That's what I'm looking at now. All right, so I made a mess of my project, and it looks like the send rate is 0 for everything. Well, at least for the one I'm testing. But I added a ton of debug to print when the values are updated for the send rate, and it's never happening. So I think it's just broken. So I need to go to where it's initialized, which is right here. And it looks like an initialize early, so void initialize early. We're gonna do a quick check. If settings dot we'll just do if settings equals default. I never remember this. Well, should probably actually write a custom one on this. My cat is being so obnoxious. Let's see. There's probably a better way to do it. Okay. So now I don't have to worry about any compares that could be causing problems. So go back to the void initialize and do, oops, that was my streaming link. All right, if settings dot is default, settings equals new. Basically assign a new settings with the default values as they're supposed to be. This new constructor actually does this, which assigns values, so it's not actually quote unquote default. It's values that are supposed to be according to the framework. All right, so it's still not settings. That makes me wonder if, all right, Light, what am I missing? Debug.log error, just some random gibberish, don't care. It's not even calling that. Something doesn't add up. What is wrong? What is missing? See here, it's calling it. Where is something's missing? Oh no, it's right there. It's not calling awake, but it is. Maybe there's an error in the IL, which is stopping it from calling, because I did change some stuff there just to test. Let's try and comment this out and just remove all this. Back. I mean, it looks like it's good, but there still could be something in the instructions wrong. So I'm just gonna, oh, okay. So, why? What if, the game object, interpolated syncvar test, opening, make sure I'm not crazy, I'm in the right thing, I am. Okay, let me just reload. Okay, it is initializing it. I wonder if, so weird, it should be printing either way because the new constructor also prints something. All the ones should print something. All the constructors under settings and okay, there we go. So it is initializing it. It is default, so it is initializing. So that's actually working. Zero. That's not right. So that new constructor is this one right here. There it is being set, but it's not printing this debug. So what the heck? This is supposed to be a workaround for a limitation of the .NET that Unity supports. You can't do parameter lists, constructors, structs on Unity. Kind of annoying. So this should be firing because this is the one that's calling. I go back here, hit new. Although it's navigating to this, so that might actually be a bug after all. It might not be passing in the base one. That could be a whoops. In which case, that's been an issue for a really long time. Which means syncvars would be extending as soon as they changed rather than the default interval of 100 milliseconds. So I might have found a bug that has been around for a while. Says my bit rate is too low. Well, let me try and okay, so let's see. It says my streaming bit rate is too low on my YouTube Studio, so I'm just gonna make sure that's set up. It should be maxed out. Settings, stream. Change settings when you're okay. Why? Just trying to find out where this app I'm using, Streamlabs, where it lets you set the. I might have to stop streaming for a second. I'll restart it. It's done though.